Welcome back. This is our 9.1 lesson on markup and markdown of prices. Here we go. Much of business conducted in this world is based on buying things and then selling them to someone else at a higher price. Setting prices and determining whether those prices will work to meet a business's profit goals requires mathematics. In this section, we'll take a look at some commonly used ways of setting prices and tools to evaluate them. The price paid for an item for a company to acquire this item is called the wholesale price or cost. So like in my business, when I go to buy fabric, that's the cost to me. Then the price that the business sells the item for will be called the retail price. So we're going to get into our formula, and this cost versus price tends to confuse people. So remember, cost is the cost to the company to obtain the item originally, and the price is the price they sell it at. Okay, so the price will always be higher than the cost. All right, so P is going to be our selling price, C is our cost, 1 plus our rate as a decimal. So this really is no different than any formula than our compound interest formula that we've been using, especially in our last topic. Okay, so let's see how this works. An auto mechanic charges 40% markup based on cost for parts. What would be the price of an air filter that costs him $14.95? So the auto mechanic is going to buy the part for $14.95, and then he's going to raise the price of it 40% and then sell it at that higher rate. Okay, so we're going to do $14.95 times 1 plus 0.40, and that will give us the markup price. That will be $20.93. So what is the dollar amount of this markup? All we have to do is subtract them, or you can multiply the original value by 40%. Either way, it's up to you. The simple subtraction is all that's necessary. And the amount of markup is the $5.98. So that's his profit. That's how much he earns on it. Okay, so then suppose that Eddie's Bike World can buy a particular model of bicycle for $255 and uses a markup of 50% based on cost. So let's find the selling price of the bike. All right, so we're going to do $255 times 1 plus 0.50. That will give us $382.50. How much was the markup? All right, how much profit did he earn? We just subtract, and we get $127.50. Not a bad deal. Hagel's Bagels sells travel mugs for $7.95. The markup based on cost is 65%. Find the cost of each mug. All right, so we're kind of going to go backwards now. So it's the sale price or the retail price, and we want to find the original cost to the company to acquire said mugs, to have them made. So we're going to do $7.95 equals cost 1 plus 0.65. So we combine the 1 and the 0.65 and we divide it away. And the original cost of the travel mug will be $4.82. And the dollar amount of the markup we subtract just like we've been doing, and they're going to get a profit of $3.13. Let's do one more of those. An electronics retailer offers a computer for sale for $500. The retailer's cost is $350. What is the markup percent? Ooh, this is going to be a little different, but we can still do it the same way. It's been a while since we've done a question like this, but I know we can do it. So we know the retail price is $500. The original cost was $350, and we have 1 plus R. So we know that this is multiplication here. Yes, you could distribute the 350, but why? It would give you more work. So I'm going to divide by 350, and 500 divided by 350, it's going to give us a decimal. So I'm going to leave that on my calculator. So 500 divided by 350 gives me that kind of nasty decimal. All right, so I'm going to leave this as 500 over 350 on my paper equals 1 plus R. So then we got to subtract the 1 over. So on my handy calculator here, I'm going to minus my 1, and that gives me a rate of 0.428571428.6. But wait, what do? Oh yeah, we have to convert back to a percent. So we times by 100, and now we can round to 2 decimal places. So it's going to be 42.86%. All right, it's been a little while since we've had to find a rate. So that is markup. Markdown, so if something is on sale, works very similarly. Okay, so from ordinary life, we all are familiar with prices being marked down as part of a sale. Mathematically, markdown is similar to markup. To calculate a markdown price, we're simply going to apply the markdown percent to the original price, then subtract. The amount or percent that a price is marked down is also commonly called a discount. So we're going to take the original price, do 1 minus the rate in the parentheses because it's being subtracted, the discount, and that's going to equal our markdown price or our sale price. So let's do a few examples of that. All right, so we have Eddie's Bike World, okay, and they have a 10% off a bike that normally sells for $352.50. So that was our bike from before. What is the sale price going to be? So $352.50, 1 minus 0.10. All right, so you can simplify that to 0.9 if you want when you multiply, and that's okay. And you end up with a sale price of $317.25. A furniture store is offering a 15% off everything for its President's Day sale. What would be the sale price for a sofa that normally sells for $1,279.95? Okay, so let's do it. We'll multiply by 1 minus 0.15. And again, if you want to multiply by 0.85, if you actually want to do that subtraction, you are more than able to do that. The sale price for the sofa is going to be $1,087.96. And then how much is the markdown? We're just going to subtract like we did before. Or you can multiply by the 0.15. That is up to you. So the markdown or the amount of the sale is going to be $191.99. Hale's Hardware is having a going out of business sale. According to their ad, everything in the store is marked down 40%. If a set of patio lights is offered at a markdown price of $29.97, what was the original price? So again, we're going backwards this time. So we're going to have a $29.97. We don't know the original price, but we can do 1 minus 0.40. So I know 1 minus 0.40 is 0.60, so I'm going to divide both sides by 0.60. So it cancels over here, and my original price is going to be $49.95. Pretty good deal. So how much of a dollar savings is this off the original price? We're going to do our subtraction. And we got $19.98 is how much we're saving on those lights. One more example, and we are done with this lesson. It's not too bad, is it? At the end of the summer, Nelson sales marked down to $450, a backyard play set that usually sells for $599.95. What is the markdown percent? Okay, so we're going to fill that in. So $450 equals $599.95, 1 minus our rate. All right, so we're going to do it just like we did our last example with the markup. We're going to divide both sides by the $59.95. Let me bring the trusty old calculator back over here. So 450 divided by 59.95 gets us this beautiful decimal. So then, I know those cancel, and I'm going to leave this so I don't have to write that nasty old decimal out. And I'm going to have to subtract the 1 off. And when I subtract the 1 off, it gets me this nasty looking negative number. And that's okay. So negative 0.2499937, blah, blah, blah. Because it's a minus R over here. And when these are both negatives, really, all you have to do, change them both to a plus, right? Because you just divide by a -1, which changes the signs to a positive. Okay, so I'm going to divide that by -1, so I have it, it's positive, and I got to convert to a percent, so I'm going to times by 100, so times by 100, and my rate is going to be 24.99%. Okay, so those are the notes for 9.1. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm always around. Hope you're having a good day. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.